On March 4th, 2024, the Firearm Blog TV channel released a video. Little did I know that video would hype/haunt me for the next 5 months. In the video, they talked about a double stack 1911/2011 with a full-size grip, aluminum frame, bull barrel, 18 round mag capacity, and my favorite feature.
So you get a V8 ported barrel?
Why haunt me? A little dramatic, right? But I didn't know that you couldn't just go to any local store and pick one up. After telling my brother, we went to every shop in the city trying to find one. Started my journey of gun ownership only 3 months prior. With zero fundamentals, no training, and had only visited the range twice, I convinced myself I needed this firearm. After not being able to find one, I signed up for the notification list. On July 15th, I received the notification and placed my order. If you watch our shorts, you already know what it is. If you're new and haven't guessed what it is, let me introduce you to the EDC Pro 4 1/4 by BUL Armory. Let's unbox it and see what you get for $2,050. You have your standard cardboard box with BUL Armory printed. You open it up and see the range bag. You unzip the range bag. First thing you see is this pouch. Inside the pouch, you got your owner's manual, your cleaning kit, one of 2 stickers, the second sticker, an 11-pound spring. Inside the pouch, there's another pouch. The second pouch is loaded with optic plates and other accessories. You have your short mainspring housing pin. You have your optic cover plate with the screws needed for all the plates, guide rod takedown tool, Delta Point Pro plate, Trijicon RMR plate, Hollison K/RMS plate, a gun lock, ships with 3 18-round magazines, 2 here and 1 in the firearm. These magazine pouches towards the bottom of your screen. Your range bag has Velcro straps to lock down the firearm. Finally, the EDC Pro. Let's do a quick safety check. No magazine. Nothing in the barrel. Here's the right side. Here's the left side. The grip safety. Ambidextrous thumb safeties. The grip has an aggressive texture. A huge mag well for easy reloads. This is the BAO optic system. Texturing on your slide stop. Double undercut trigger guard. Front and rear serrations on your slide. You have an accessory rail to mount lights. V8 ported bull barrel. The trigger pull has a nice short take-up to a defined wall and a crisp break. Then you have a short positive reset and you're back on the wall. The range bag has double zippers, a deep pocket in the front to hold field notes or Sharpies. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.